Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Shabby Chic Elegance is all about blending the old with the new, crafting spaces that feel warm, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. Think soft pastel tones, distressed furniture, and delicate patterns that exude vintage charm. This timeless aesthetic allows you to create a space that's both beautiful and functional, pairing classic antiques with cozy textiles and fresh, modern accents. What's truly captivating about Shabby Chic Decor is its versatility. It can enhance a cottage-style home just as easily as a contemporary apartment. As we explore these timeless ideas, notice how they evoke a sense of nostalgia while maintaining an air of sophistication. It's the perfect approach to creating a home that feels both elegant and lived in. If this style speaks to you, stay tuned, and don't forget to share your favorite decor moments in the comments. Until next time, enjoy designing your shabby chic dream space.